Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. Since the examination date for INICET 2021 got announced that is on 16th of June next month, and the notice uh, was issued, and students who were preparing for INICET got just 18 to 19 days before the examination and 18 to 90 days for preparation. Okay, so that's a very short notice, and that's why we see the trends on social media, especially Twitter, to postpone the examination, and even I supported it. Now coming talking about NEET PG 2021, because that is a big crowd. We already have received application around 1,75,000 proper application received, and the admit card was also issued. But the government later said, the PMO confirmed that the exam will be postponed at least by 4 months. But it is that time a story. And there is 100 days of COVID duty as well. And the PMO has also promised that they will provide 1 month at least 1 month of time to prepare, and the date of examination will be announced 1 month prior, so that all the candidates gets 1 month of time. See, when they promise to give 1 month of time, it means their 100 days of duty should complete before the date of announcement. Okay, so but is government will assess the current situation, and then accordingly they will take the decision. Nothing is guaranteed. You can't take anything as guaranteed. As you have seen, as you seen the decision taken by AIMS authority to announce the examination date on 16th of June, that is pretty soon, and still we see around 1,70,000 cases per day registered. I'm not talking about unregistered cases, but as per the experts, by June or by mid of June, on the average scenario, we can say by mid of July, sorry, by mid of July, we can expect the second wave to get fully controlled, and COVID will be over. Then we can talk about third wave. If it will happen, it will come or it won't come. It will take some time. So the government had taken the decision of 31st August should be the date. Before that, examination should not happen, but based on the current COVID situation and assessment, they may change their date. And if suppose by 15th of July they see the corona is COVID-19 second wave is under full control, then if by that day they announce that their corona duty is over, and on 15th of July, is all my assumption. I'm just taking the things from futuristic point of view and telling my based on my analysis and experience and whatever we heard from the sources. If they announce the examination date on 15th of July, then 15th of August might be the NEET PG examination date. Is the average case. So it's very much possible that they can conduct the examination before 31st of August. So what you need to do, see, even government doesn't plan to prepone the examination and keep go with the previous statement of conducting the examination after 31st of August, or they may prepone. In both the cases, you will have a difference of like a maximum 1 month more time or 1 month less time. If they decide to prepone, you will be getting 1 month less time, and if they decide to go with the existing statement, then you may get 1 month more time. But as you see in the decision taken by government for INICET examination, you got just 18 days of notice period and 18 days to prepare for your examination. So what you need to do, you start your preparation. If you have any other if even if you are in COVID duty, still you take your time and focus on preparation. Whenever you don't need to take it lightly or waste your time, because it's going to be precious. Anytime government can say that this is the expected examination date. Means the date they announce, after 1 month that examination will happen. So that time you can't trend on Twitter or any social media that postpone the examination. So you have to be ready in advance to attend the examination and do your best, because we have been preparing for a very long time, and I can understand the frustration and all the stress that you have to take, because it's one of the most competitive examination. And I can understand all these things that student goes through. Okay, so you start your preparation. Okay, anytime you can see in next month or next to next month in July, the date might come that examination is going to happen on particular date, and you get 1 month of duration for preparation. So expect examination date, finally I conclude, maybe mid of August or early September, or early mid of August or early September. Yeah. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can let us know through the comment section, or if you are new, you can subscribe the channel. So that's it from my side in this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care, and all the best for your preparation. Thanks.